Tugade, the man pass by Angelito. Wow! And it's runs it home! Lordy Tugade. Inside to Lordy Tugade.
Umupo pa sa ere. Si Lordy Tugade.
A little bit from the outside. Tugade hits the jumper.
Tugade sends the quick move towards the basket.
Tugade. Tugade takes it inside, runs it to Richard D. Left-handed. That shot. With 11 to shoot. Tugade. Yes. Get about the Lordy Tugade. With what it is.
Here's Lordy Tugade. Oh, big shot.
Around the back. Tugade.
Big shot.
Oh.
Up to Tugade. Tugade fires.
Ito, Tugade for three. Yes, sir!
Parang assassin talaga ito si Tugade. Kita mo, walang kadamdamin.
Tugade for three. Yes!